Oh, four! I just got him. That's my 5th kill in a row. Oh man, I did good. Okay, let me go pray to Jesus. Okay, please, if you get a 400 kills, if I win for my rest of any of my life. Okay, you got 400. I'll get a 500 kills. If I win, if I get a rest any of my life. Start your age. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Who's shooting? Come on, play. Ouch. Okay. Hey, Black Yoshi. Is that Porky Pig? No, it's me, Chuck. Man, you talk like the Porky Pig or something. No, I can't. You like Porky Pig? No, it's Chuck. Oh, you sound like Choo Choo Train. No, I'm Chuck. Oh, I'm gonna go tell Red. Hey, Red. Okay, no one's ever bothered. I gotta look. Wow, it's a corn. The corn is see, look, put a pop corn. Oh my God! Wow, it's a movie popcorn. Oh, let's see. Whoa, it's a party popcorn. Woo! Oh, let's see. It's a movie theater popcorn. Let's see. Oof. That's a bowl of popcorn. Whoa, a rainbow popcorn. Oh, hang on. Oh. Come in. Hey, Red. Red, what you doing? I'm looking for the rainbow popcorn. Wait a minute, the voice, like, I don't know. You tell Silver the Hedgehog.